Once in a bustling town nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a wise old man named Amos. He was revered for his sagacity and compassion, and people from far and wide sought his counsel in times of trouble. Amos, despite being blind in one eye since birth, had a remarkable ability to perceive things that often eluded the sighted. He could sense emotions, decipher truth from falsehood, and offer guidance that resonated deeply with those who sought his wisdom. One day, a young boy named Lucas, known for his mischievous nature and penchant for trouble, stumbled upon Amos' dwelling. The boy was intrigued by the old man's reputation for wisdom and sought to test his abilities. "Old man," Lucas began with a mischievous glint in his eye, "they say you can see what others cannot. Can you teach me your secret?" Amos chuckled softly, sensing the curiosity and mischief in the boy's voice. "Young one, sight isn't confined to the eyes alone. It dwells within one's heart and soul, guiding us in ways beyond the physical realm." Lucas, unconvinced, persisted, "But how can you claim to see when you are blind in one eye? Surely your vision is flawed." The wise old man smiled knowingly and gestured for Lucas to follow him. Leading the boy to his garden, Amos handed Lucas a basket and instructed him to gather fruits and flowers while guiding him with only one eye. Puzzled, Lucas attempted the task, finding it challenging to navigate with his vision restricted. Frustration crept in as he stumbled over rocks and struggled to pick the right fruits. Amos observed quietly, allowing the boy to experience the limitations of seeing with only one eye. After some time, Lucas returned with a meager collection of fruits and wilted flowers. "Old man, it's impossible to see properly with just one eye," Lucas grumbled. Amos nodded thoughtfully. "Indeed, using only one eye limits our perspective. But true vision isn't just about what the eyes behold, it's about understanding, empathy, and insight that come from within." The boy frowned, pondering Amos' words. "Lucas," the old man continued gently, "having two eyes doesn't guarantee true understanding. It's the depth of perception, the willingness to see beyond what's visible, that truly matters." The young boy realized the wisdom in Amos' lesson. He thanked the old man and left, reflecting on the deeper meaning behind their interaction. From that day forward, Lucas became more mindful and empathetic, learning to see beyond the surface and appreciate the diverse perspectives of those around him. As for Amos, his reputation for wisdom continued to grow, not because of his physical sight but due to his ability to perceive the world through the lens of empathy, understanding, and inner vision, a lesson that Lucas carried with him throughout his life.